Assalamualaikum. Hi, hello, it's your girl Ranii and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a Huda Beauty unboxing, a little haul if you want to call it. Before that, I want to ask, how is my SRL family, Muslim SRL family? How is your Ramadan going? I hope you're all very well and you're staying hydrated and doing lots of ibadat. And yeah, and me, I'm going to try my best to be active on Ramadan. As you know, it's going to be very hectic, but I will keep trying my best to stay active as well as do my, you know, ibadat and everything else. But anyway, today we have a Huda Beauty, not one, not two, but 3 boxes to unbox. Yeah guys, so let's do the first one. Just get on with it quickly because don't want to rush time. But anyway, let's see what we have in the first one. So I'm not going to do any swatching of any of them. I'm just going to quickly unbox, and yeah, let's do it. So the first one, let's see what we have. So I like it when they give these. So the first box we have is these wishful. I love these wishful glow sets. They were like originally like 20 something pound or something, down to 10. Yep. So they're on offer now. And the reason why these were got, because Jansen knows I love that moisturizer, you know, the wishful moisturizer. And my last one, I don't know what happened to the little thing, I lost it. And you know, the inside, wow. If you guys have not tried this, you need to try it, man. Best moisturizer to date, man. I'm telling you, I have never ever used anything better. This keeps your skin like baby's bottom. Oh, I love it, man. Yeah, and for £10, isn't that a bargain? This and the Wishful Glow for £10 on the Huda website, man. £10.26. I didn't have to pay no charges or anything, like any custom charges or any delivery charges. I don't know why they're not charging me any custom charges or any delivery charges, but yep, I didn't have to pay any of that. It said it was free. Maybe you have to, if you shop a certain amount, it's free. But anyway, I got 2 of them and I can't wait to use, because I have got a really big massive one and I had got that one out and started using it, but I don't want to use the big one. I want to keep the small one in my handbag. So that's 2 of them, guys, in the box 1. And we also have the new, as you would have seen on my Instagram, the Huda Beauty new contour. So we have warm brown, sandy beige, rusty pink, pinky brown, honey beige and terracotta. Yeah, so those are the colors of those. So I'm not doing any swatches today, but those are the colors. So next time I'll most likely do the swatches of them all in a separate video. I will be doing swatches, but those are the colors, guys. So I think that middle one would be mine, which is the rusty pink. So do you think we should open one and see what it looks like, just to see? I doubt it's going to be any different, because I know the contour sticks, because I own a few, and I also gifted a few out to some of my winners, I believe. I know Mega Day got one. Oh god, that one's not coming out. Come on, come out. Why are you stuck for? Oh. Trying to get it out, but it's not there. So that's how it looks, guys. And oops. Oh gosh. Oh, it's already broke off. Now that's not really good, is it? Oh, you can roll it up, which I didn't know on my previous one. Right. But anyway, that's the colour of that one. So that is my colour. So I might as well put it on my lips. Yeah. Yep, that is my colour. Wow. And I didn't know about them being pushed up, because I have got some few other ones, and I thought that once they finish. How dumb am I? How silly am I? But that's the colour. Now that's a nice colour, and my colour as well, as you can see on my lips. But anyway, that's those. And like I said, I will be doing a separate swatch video for those. So that's 3, 4, 6 there. So that's that box. Going to the next box, which is here. Let's see what we have in here. End of the day, I'm going to just put it in one box, the items. So there's no point stacking, keeping them all. And let's see what we have in the next boxes, because I really can't remember. Oh, I wouldn't remember. I think Dancer got these. Can't remember. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah, now I remember. Tally's gonna love this. So we have the new Huda Beauty. These are the new Huda Beauty bulletproof Power Bullet Cream Glow lipsticks that have come out, guys. Yeah, so quickly show you that if I can open it. They are really stunning as well. They look nothing like the old ones. So that's how it looks. Can you see? It's like the clear, but the other ones are not clear. And that's the colour. So as you can see, they are creamy. Straight away you can tell they're creamy. Yep. Yep. And that's the colour. Look how creamy they are. I only like 2 colours, so 2 of them came. So that's that one, and that's the shade Sweet Nude. We then have Bossy Browns. So let's check that one out. Bossy Brown, come to me. And they do feel really creamy on your lips. Again, it's like that. And they're brown. I'm not going to put this one on my lip because I've got the other one on, and it's a brownish shade. Wow, look at that. How gorgeous is that? I like that. And it's one I would use. Both of them I would use, won't I? Look how creamy they look. You see? Look at that. Wow. Even on my lips. Amazing, isn't it? And then magnetic. Wow, I'm gonna get all of them, the whole set, because they look absolutely stunning. Those 2 colors that I chose. Wow. So that's them two. And I'm going to put them all in one box. Saves you the trouble. Oh God, my mouth keeps on drying. We then have, remember I told you about those eye? You know the eye, yeah? So that's the Wishful Eye Lift and Snatch. So they are really good. Used it, that's why I got another one. And the last product in this box is this. Wow! How gorgeous is that? Huda Beauty little bag. Yeah, how gorgeous is that? And inside this gorgeous bag is the Huda Beauty Caramel Brown eyeshadow palette and the Liquid Matte mini lipsticks. Gorgeous, isn't it? Now I'm going to open it up, if I can open it up. Oops, done it. Now I'm going to show you the lipstick. Oh, trust that to go flying there. Now I'm going to quickly show you the gorgeous inside of the palette. This is the latest one, by the way. So that's the Caramel Brown Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. Wow. And that is stunning, and it's my colour. Wow, 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 wow. Gorgeous, enough. So creamy, that lipstick. Can't wait to swatch this. I'll be swatching that separately, not now. Definitely going to be swatching this and put that there. And we have the Huda Beauty mini lipsticks, and the oh gosh, and it's my favorite color. Trendsetter is a favorite color of mine. Wow, I'm super happy that Trendsetter's in there, and those are the colors, guys, which I will be swatching with the contour, and I'll just show you what Trendsetter looks like. I have put Trendsetter on my lips before. Look, and that's Trendsetter. Can you see how gorgeous? Look how creamy that is as well. I think there might be the creamy version, the Liquid Matte, but that is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? They all are. So which one is that? Alpha Femme. These are new colors. Alpha Femme, I've not seen that one before, and that's the color Alpha Femme. They're all like browny nudie shades, because of it has to match the, you know, the eyeshadow palette. Yep. And that's Her Majesty. I think that's going to be more like my color. Oh gosh, it's a brownie. It's that one at the end, look. Yep. And the last one is On Top. Let's check On Top out. Another one that would be more likely mine. Yep, that one is most likely my one, and my most favorite. Yeah, look. Yep, I'm happy. Gorgeous, isn't it? Wow, look at those colors, they're all stunning, and I can't wait to swatch that palette. But look at that, look at those colors, absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And very creamy as well. But anyway, look at that stunning bag with it for a little girl to go out and go, Mommy, I'm going out. I'm going out with my girls. The Huda Beauty bag. Huda Beauty. Yeah, so that's that. And the last box contained what I showed you on Instagram, which was the lip contour, which is deep rose, rusty pink, vivid pink, rich brown, universal red, muted pink, and very berry. So those, I have the full collection of the contour. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So those are all the shades. Now which one is your favorite? Let me know, guys. Yep. I will do a full swatch of these, guys, so if you want to wait for the swatch, you can. But here's a glance. Let me know, let me know. Handbag. Oh, that is amazing, little cute bag, isn't it? Wow, I'm sure Tasmina will love that. So that's it, guys. That is the Huda Beauty haul all done. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? And what was your favourite out of this haul? Let me know, let me know. What was your favourite from this Huda Beauty haul? Let me know, let me know. Until next time, take care and see you in the next haul or next haul swatch or unboxing. Lovelies. Bye.